My friend asked me to make paper squishies. And you will not believe how it turned out. First, I took a paper and folded it in half. Then, I drew a Nutella bottle because that's what I wanted to draw. Then, I took my colors and started coloring my Nutella bottle. Then, I cut my Nutella bottle. So now there are 2 cutouts of Nutella bottles. Then I glued the edges of the Nutella bottle, then stick them together. I didn't glue one side so I could fit the stuffing in. For the next step, I applied tape to the entire Nutella bottle. Now my Nutella bottle is scratch proof and tear proof. One thing that is not tear proof is my old pillow. So I took the cotton out of my pillow and stuffed it into my squishy. I stuffed it till the top and sealed it with tape. And my squishy was made. Wow, it's so beautiful and soft and cute. And I can't believe that this is handmade. It's that good. And oh, I have to give it to my friend. I just remember she's going to take it. No. Took it. I'm going to make another one. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Bye.